First scoring hold we're going to talk about in our counter offense is a go-behind. Probably the most common and very simple, but very effective. In my opinion, I think it's probably one of the most overlooked scoring opportunities in neutral position. A lot of times we see ourselves right here, and anytime we have an opponent below us, we should be scoring go-behinds. Okay, so I have my opponent stop, shoulder on top, cupping the chin, a lot of weight pressure on him here. I'm going to continue to use his momentum to pull him forward and get heavy on him, break him down to an elbow or a shoulder. Once I have him broke down here, I'm going to beat the corner, beat his hip or beat his shoulder with my hip. I'm still maintaining a lot of weight pressure on his head end, and I'm going to run to the leg. I'm going to grab the hamstring, the ankle, or the butt and run behind to secure my takedown. Very, very important to emphasize that when I run go behind, I'm not reaching to the waist. Too often, we get all the way to the side or behind the guy and reach to the waist, and our opponent tripods up and gets the near arm in our way, and we've just lost everything we did. So, very important. From here, once we break him down, we beat the corner with our hip and run to the butt with a hamstring, where we can run behind for the takedown. Notice also, when I beat the corner from the other side, I'm getting here, this hand, I keep the chin, and I beat the corner with my hips, but notice my forearm. It's on top of his head, where I can maintain weight and pressure on his front end. As I run to the leg and run the go behind, I still keep weight pressure on the front end, so I don't release and let go. A lot of times, we'll have an opponent, we'll tripod circle out like we talked about, or run out. If I let go of the head, here, I give him an opportunity to run out. So that's why we want to keep that weight pressure. We stop here, weight pressure on the front end, boom. If I have to, I can really drive into him to secure the takedown. So right here, run it down. Covering his hips. Covering his hips. The more comfortable and more familiar I get with this position, it'll look even quicker and quicker because I recognize his momentum and I catch him on the way in. As he shoots, right to his face. I've already beat corner with hips and I'm running it down.